mystery boxes, liquidation pallets, thrift stores. Yes, we all love to source. But when the time comes to list, there's never enough time.
You know what? I could list, but I think I'm just going to spin around in this chair. That's so much more fun. That is so much more fun.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today, I'm going to be talking about hyperlisting on eBay. I had a very nice conversation with one of our fellow friends from our pallet jacking channel, Ivory. And we talked a little bit about listing. She was, kind of talking about how it takes a long time for her to list. And, a lot of times you have a lot of things going on. A lot of us are part-time resellers, meaning that we have full-time jobs, we have full-time families, and we don't have a lot of time to list. Now, I will say that we do have a lot of time to source. Sourcing is like the thing that we like to do. That's one of the things that all of us really like to do. We like to source, we like to buy, we like going to the thrift store, we like going to the bin store, we like buying the pallets, we like buying the mystery boxes, but we get all this stuff and then we don't list it, I will say that sometimes the idea of listing is worse than the actual listing itself. So today I want to talk a little bit about my top tips for listing really fast on eBay. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can list that I use to list. The first being just doing it straight up from the eBay app. The second is through an app that I use sometimes to pull items over and create a listing. So I'll talk about the pros and cons of both of those. So let's get into the listing tutorial. All right, so first we're going to talk about the listing from the eBay app. Now, a lot of people probably don't list from the eBay app. I don't know. It's like 50-50 when I talk to people about listing. I hear a lot of people saying that they don't list from the eBay app, they list from the website. I don't know how y'all list from the website because it takes an enormous amount of time. It shouldn't take that long. So I'm going to tell you the way that I do it. So this is the way that I do it. And it's not going to be like this huge, big ordeal. It is literally like super simple. I'm going to tell y'all what I do. So the first thing that I do is I batch take photos of all the items that I am going to list. Now I have a photo box, but sometimes don't think that you have to be looped into having a photo box or having a shadow box or having this crazy lighting situation or whatever. Sometimes I literally put them on this table and I take a picture of them. It's not that big a deal. Take a picture of the stuff, front, back, to side, get some good angles and keep it moving. Take the photos on your cell phone. I use this iPhone right here. I take all of my photos on my iPhone because they're right here and I'm going to be listing everything from this device. So it's really good to have all those photos on the same device. So I go through and I come up with a realistic number of listings that you're going to do. So like last night I did about 35 to 40 listings. I just had a batch of stuff. I said, I'm going to test and list all this stuff tonight. I don't care how long it takes. It didn't take me that long. I got all the listings done in a couple of hours. I was done testing and listing in a couple of hours. So it doesn't really take that long as you think in your mind to get those things listed, as long as you have a really fast workflow. All right, so once you've taken all of your photos on your phone, just make sure that they're in there, they're in your phone, they're ready to go. You go to the eBay app, and what I do is I lay all of my stuff out on a table. I have a table right here next to me. That's where I'm pointing at. You probably can't see it, but there's a table right here. I have all my items laid out on the table that I'm gonna list, and I take each item one by one. If it has a barcode, you scan the barcode, and it will pull up other listings. Now, if it doesn't have a barcode, if it's an Amazon item, private label, just use the keywords. A lot of times if it's an Amazon item, it does have keywords on the Amazon label. If it doesn't have any identifying information, just try to find an item that's similar to it. Like last night I had a stainless steel coffee grinder and it didn't have no name brand or nothing like that. So I just typed in electric coffee grinder and I found one that was very similar to it, the voltage and everything. And I used that listing to start my listing. Now, I will not spend more than 3 minutes looking for an item. If I can't find it in 3 minutes, I just create a new listing, because you can waste a lot of time trying to find an item and you should be spending that time listing other items. So 3 minutes maximum. Try to peruse the eBay website. If you have to go on Amazon to find it, you can find it. But just find it really quickly and sell one like this. Some people will tell you not to use sell one like this. I always use sell one like this. It just makes it a lot easier. You click on sell one like this, it pulls up another screen listing and has all the information from that listing. Make sure it all matches. Go to your description, make sure everything that matches the item that you actually have. You're going to upload your photos that you just took. They're on your phone. You shouldn't have to do anything, but just click on the photos that you took. Then go down. We always use the custom SKU for our location. So we'll say bin 26 or bin 15 or bin 1, whatever it is. That's where your item is going to be stored at. So whenever you sell it, you can find it. That's key. So then you'll go down, descriptions. Don't spend a lot of time with descriptions. I mean, if it's a new item or if it's open box in new condition. The box has some box damage. Don't spend a lot of time with descriptions. Nobody reads the descriptions. I'm just going to be honest with you. They don't read it. They don't look at the photos sometimes, and they don't read the description. So don't spend a lot of time with the description. Do a quick description of what the item is and the condition of the item. Go down, do your pricing. A lot of times I just go with the suggested. I look at the suggested and look at the sold comps, and then I kind of make assessment of what the price is. And when we're doing liquidation, and you may be doing liquidation or wholesale or retail arbitrage, whatever you're doing, just whenever you're doing your pricing, think about how much you pay for the item. If it's an item that's showing that it has sold comp for 70, but you only paid 5, you don't have to get top dollar for it. So I always price it with that in mind, how much I paid for it and how much the sold comps are. And then I kind of go in between there to make sure that it's profitable, but I want to make sure it sells quick too. So, if it has sold comp for 70, I may do 64.99 or something like that, and then I think about shipping and all those other things whenever I am pricing my item. So come up with your price. You'll go down. You can put in your box dimensions. A lot of times I don't worry about the box dimensions because I'm going to have to pay whatever the shipping is anyway. I don't use calculated shipping. I always put in a set shipping amount or free shipping. Those are the only two options that I ever use. Calculated shipping sometimes give them outrageous shipping quotes and they won't buy it. It'll sit there forever if it's on calculated shipping sometimes. So if your item is not selling and it's on calculated shipping, it's probably because the calculated shipping is expensive. So a lot of times I'll just choose a set amount, $6.99, $7.99, $2.99, 99 cents. And then I input that amount, or I do free shipping and I loop it into the cost or the price of the item. Then you go down and tell if you want to accept offers, you'll put your return details, and then you make sure that you check on hours. Whenever I do it, it always unchecks the require immediate payment. So you want to make sure that that is checked because you want to get your money first before you send out the item. You click on that and then you go down. If you want to promote your item, you can promote it down at the bottom, and boom, you are done listing, and it takes no time flat. And you've got a listing. When I'm on a roll, I can get listings done in about 45 seconds. I mean, it's like quick. I can go through, especially got all my photos. I got in my mind what I want to sell these items for, and I just click, and I can have a ton of items uploaded in a fairly short amount of time by using this method. All right, so the next method that I use, if you don't want to use your cell phone for this, is on the computer. So we are going to have to go to the computer, and I'm going to show you how you can pull items from Amazon, Home Depot, a couple different other sites. You can pull them over to eBay. It's fairly simple. It's really cheap. I'm going to show you how to do it now. So we are on the website that I'm talking about. This is autods.com. I've made a full video about this earlier in life, so I'm not going to go into the full details of it. If you want to check it out, autods.com. I'll put a link to it in the description section below. To do this, very simply, you go and pull the link from whatever you're trying to list. At this point, I'm trying to list $100 bills. I actually found a pack of these in my local bin store. So I'm just going to copy this. It has all the information here. Don't worry about that. All you need is the link. You click on Uploader and it loads. So right here, you can change the source. So Amazon, Walmart, Banggood, they've got Home Depot, Wayfair, Costco, Overstock, and a couple of other different things. We're doing Amazon, so we're going to go ahead and paste the link from Amazon. It's going to go to eBay US, and then you can do a template. I've already chosen a template. They have multiple templates on here that you can use. I'm just going to do the limited time sale, 30-day returns, and it will automatically put all those details in there, and then you click grab details. It's pretty simple, doesn't take a long time. So you can see if you had all of your links, what I would do with this is I would get all of the links, have them all ready, and then come onto the site, and then you can just bang them out pretty quickly. So you can see right here, it pulls up the photo, it pulls up all of the details that comes with it, the manufacturer, the brand, all of those details that Amazon or that eBay really needs. You click edit variation, and you can edit the quantity, the sale price, and then this website is really built for doing like drop shipping. So I'm not going to show you the drop shipping aspect of that, but I want to go ahead and show you how you could just pull this from Amazon and put it on eBay. So I can go right here. I don't have to do anything else. It pulls all of the photographs, as you can see here, and this is what the actual listing is going to look like. It has limited time sale, has all of the details here. It even puts like these really cool about us, shipping, returns, and customer satisfaction stuff, and you can actually change this stuff within the settings. So if you want to see like a full tutorial on AutoDS, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do one. This also shows you what the listing is going to look like on the phone. So this is what the listing will look like. And then you can go right here and change all your details, the location, where you're going to ship from, your shipping policy, your return policy, all those different things can be changed here. They have every option that you can think of, you know, flat rate, priority mail, $2.99, shipping 2 business days, whatever. You can put the height and the length and all that stuff here. I always take it off products monitor, because what that does is it monitors the price of Amazon, and it fluctuates the price on your eBay store based on the price of Amazon. So we're not going to do that. And then you just click upload product, and it's literally that simple. All right, that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.